using IoT to bring innovation to manufacturing sites. Omron's IO-LInk Photoelectric Sensor helps you understand an unstable situation and its incident level in advance to reduce sudden stops. Previously, dust or dirt accumulated on the sensing surface of the photoelectric sensor led to a decline in the light incident level, and water drops stuck to the sensing surface caused reflected light to enter, which caused the sensor to make false detection and the device to stop. See how the IO-LInk demo unit indicates in real time when the unstable incident level of a photoelectric sensor is detected. The demo unit simulates the situation where the incident level decreases. The demo unit gives a warning about the incident level decrease before getting lower than the detection threshold. Next, the demo unit simulates the situation where the incident level increases using a throw beam sensor. The demo unit gives a warning about the incident level increase before getting higher than the detection threshold. In this way, an IO-LInk photoelectric sensor allows you to prevent false detection by using a light incident level monitor.